Number 5. Judy, the prisoner of war. Our story begins in the heat of the Pacific. Meet Judy, a purebred English pointer and the mascot of the HMS Grasshopper. She wasn't just a pet, she was a radar. Judy could hear Japanese aircraft long before the crew ever saw them. In 1942, her ship was bombed and sunk. The survivors were stranded on a deserted island with no water. While the men were giving up hope, Judy began to dig. She found a freshwater spring, saving every single man from dehydration. But their struggle was just beginning. They were captured by Japanese forces and sent to a brutal labor camp. Here, Judy did something unheard of. She became the only animal ever officially registered as a prisoner of war. Her prisoner number? 81 POW Sumatra. She survived the jungle, the beatings, and the starvation by sharing the meager rations of her fellow prisoners. She gave the men a reason to live. When the camp was finally liberated in 1945, Judy walked out a hero, wearing a custom-made medal on her collar. Number 4. Smokey, the 4-pound war dog. In the jungles of New Guinea, a soldier found a tiny 4-pound Yorkshire Terrier shivering in a foxhole. Her name was Smoky. She was so small she could fit inside a soldier's boot, but her heart was the size of a lion's. The turning point came at a critical U.S. airbase. Engineers needed to run telegraph wires under a 70-foot wide runway. Instead of 250 men digging for 3 days, they tied a kite string to Smokey's collar and sent her into a narrow 8-inch pipe. For minutes, there was silence. Then a tiny face appeared at the other end. Smokey had pulled the line through. She did in minutes what would have taken hundreds of men days to accomplish. But Smokey's impact went far beyond the battlefield. She is credited as the first ever therapy dog, visiting wounded soldiers and raising morale in the darkest hours of the Pacific War. She survived 12 combat missions and was awarded 8 battle stars. Number 3. Rip, the Angel of the Blitz. 1940. London is burning. The Nazi Luftwaffe is dropping thousands of bombs in what became known as the Blitz. In the middle of the chaos, a stray terrier named Rip was found wandering the streets. He had no home, but he had a gift no machine could match. Every time a building collapsed, Rip ran toward the dust and fire. While rescue crews were blinded by smoke, Rip used his nose. He could smell life buried deep beneath 10 feet of concrete. He didn't stop until he found them. Over the course of the bombings, Rip is credited with saving over 100 lives. For his bravery, he became the first dog to ever receive the Dickin Medal, the animal equivalent of the Victoria Cross. He went from a starving stray to a national symbol of hope. Number 2. Gander, the soldier with 4 paws. In the winter of 1941, the Battle of Hong Kong was a nightmare of blood and shadows. Among the men of the Royal Rifles of Canada stood Gander, a 130-pound Newfoundland dog. The moment that defined his legend happened during a desperate night attack. A Japanese stick grenade landed right in the middle of a group of wounded Canadian soldiers. Without a second of hesitation, Gander lunged. He snatched the live grenade with his jaws and sprinted straight toward the enemy. He ran until his brothers were safe. Gander didn't survive the blast, but because of his final act of defiance, every single man in that squad lived to tell the tale. Decades later, his name was added to the Memorial of Heroes, ensuring the world would never forget the dog who took a grenade for his team. Number 1. Chips, The One Dog Army. Powerful, high energy, triumphant. July 10, 1943, Operation Husky. As American troops stormed the beaches of Sicily, one soldier was leading the charge on 4 legs. His name was Chips, a German Shepherd Husky mix donated by his family in New York. Suddenly, a hidden Italian machine gun nest pinned down his squad. The men were trapped in the open sand. But Chips didn't wait for an order. He vanished into the smoke, sprinting directly toward the enemy fire. The soldiers heard a frantic struggle inside the bunker. Screams, barks, then silence. Moments later, Italian soldiers stumbled out with their hands up. Chips had single-handedly cleared the nest. He suffered burns and a scalp wound, but he saved his entire platoon. Chips became the most decorated war dog in U.S. history. To his brothers in arms, he wasn't just a dog. He was the hero who brought them home. 5 dogs, 1 legacy. Bravery has no species. Which of these heroes inspired you the most? Drop their name in the comments. Don't stop here. Click the video in the top right for another incredible untold story, or hit the playlist below to meet more legendary canine heroes. Keep the history alive. Stay tactical.